wanted for Christmas?
Yes.
Did you have a good Christmas?
Yes.
I got you something very special.
Okay.
Oh,
Stay there.
Not you. This is for Zachary. Watch this.
Poof. It magically appears.
What do you think could be in there?
Have no idea.
Good.
Another pair of slippers.
You need some. Where's that knife, Scott? Scott, you got that knife?
I need a knife.
He doesn't need a knife. Flip it over.
Yeah, that's the bottom of the box. That's
All right, go the other way.
Call me.
Nice and slow.
Very gentle.
What is it?
I want you to see that. It's pretty cool.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
That's his real autograph.
Where'd you get that? Wow.
Go give Papa a big thank you.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. You see? Right here?
Oh my God.
Right there.
How do you get it?
He signed that for you.
Oh my God.
Right. That's a
Don't be
real
silly.
NFL football that they play in the games with, and he signed that.
But you can't play with it.
I know that.
Okay,
Yeah,
wait,
it's
Mom,
something
did you
to play
not
with.
find?
Okay.
Wait, I got some for you and Scotty.
Oh my God.
Well, Scotty's got a lot of that stuff.